What's up guys, so Mac Everything here, and today is my first ever episode and we're doing a futwizz pack opening. So let's get right into this video. Bang, here we are, the first pack. Did we get anybody? No, we didn't. Oh. First pack, come on. It's Deji man, first pack, look. First pack, come on. We've made 300k in total already. Oh, Victor Valdez. Wow, what a terrible pack. Oh, that's decent. We got... Oh! Yes! We've got our first team of the season. Yes. Oh, that's good. That's good. 300k. That's only in one of our packs as well. Oh, that's sick. Hold on, let me turn off my PS4. PS4, turn off the pack. Bang. Oh, okay. Not a very good pack. Oh, team of the season. 100k. Okay, we've made 210k on that pack. It's decent. Mind you, most of these players say they're for 10k, but on actual FIFA, they're like, what, 1, maybe 2k now. So... Oh, hopefully this can be a good gold player this time. Oh my god. Are you seriously getting Ross Barkley's? Come on. I'm not even going excited over silver informs because I get that most of the time. Let's do a skip pack. Skip. Bang. It said skip. Why isn't it skipping? Look. What the... Focus. People have been opening packs for 6 hours. What? What happened? No, I just went on something else. Look at this pack, you ready? This pack is absolutely insane. Look at that. What a pack. 277k. That is mental. Okay, it's like, what, 20 packs in. Not getting anybody good so far. Koscielny's been our highest rated player so far. I mean, 84 is not good at all. Oh, that's not a good pack, is it? Who's that? 35k. I bet you it's a silver inform. Oh no! It's a gold one. I've got to show you the team of the week, but you probably know it, don't you, if you watch FIFA. Comment down below if you watch the Sidemen. Oh my god! And you're going to the Sidemen charity match, because I won't be there, but I'm watching it on the live stream. Okay, come on. Come on, be a high rated inform. No. If that is inform. Oh my god, no. No. Nah. Come on, which one is it? Inform Ozil! Oh my god! Oh my god! We've just got Inform Ozil. That Inform, Charles and Naismith. That's absolutely insane. And Scott Sinclair from my City. Why does he look great? Okay. I mean, what a pack. What the hell was that? Oh well. Let's do a skip pack. Skip the animation. Master! Oh, wait, there could be something else. Hopefully a team of the season. Oh, he's more than Ozil. He's more than Ozil. Oh, he's 50k too. How much was in that pack? Willian's more than Ozil. What the? Did you know Willian scored 6 free kicks this season? There's a fun fact. Hopefully. Skip animation. These skip packs are working. Oh, I thought that was Di Maria in his composition. If you could tell this bad pack. Oh my! We just got 2 team of the seasons. What the hell? 2 team of the seasons when Jack Butland was a silver. 210k. Hopefully we can get like that team of the season Lewandowski someone packed. Come on. Oh, it's a good inform. It's good. It's good. It's a high rated inform. Could be. Come on. We're waiting for this one. Come on. You want to give us something good. Come on. Oh, I'm getting really impatient now. Is that it? Is that it? It's meant to be a high rated inform. You got Andy Carroll, mate. Andy Carroll used to be inform. That's the worst pack you've had, actually. Okay, where's my mouse? Okay, last 3 packs. What is this all about? Why is there music? Okay, who are we getting? Come on. No, now you can hear my brothers probably. Nope, that was the worst pack. Look how bad that pack is, guys. That is absolute rubbish. That's our worst pack. Okay, final 2. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes, come on. Please be a good one. Come on. We'll go up close. We'll go up close. Wow. That put me down. That put me down. Wait a minute. Oh! No, that's actually a decent pack, to be honest. If I'm, decent. It's alright. Okay, after this review, the best pack of the day. That put me down. We just got a man of the match. Yeah, oh my god. Look at that pack. He's newly transferred as well, isn't he? Dishibuji. Comment down below if he's newly transferred to Chelsea. Oh, why is this music? Yeah. Got team of the season. Focus. My tip. Thingy. Murphy. And Goldvin. What pack? Okay, let's view. Let's view this pack then. View the best pack so far today. What the hell? Oh my god. How on earth did this guy get this pack? 298 rated and in form Ronaldo. What the hell? Okay, let's end it off then. Let's end this pack opening off. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you want more content, and goodbye.